Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to create shipping zone in Shopify. So simply in order to do this, just you have to go to settings, and now here you will find the shipping and delivery option. Just click here. Now in the next, just click on manage, and after that, now here you can create your shipping zone. So simply just click on create shipping zone. You can see this option and just type the zone name here. After that, select the country that you want to add. Now click on done button. So you have seen that we have successfully create our shipping zone. So this is very simple and easy step to create a shipping zone. So here you can see that our shipping zone is finally created. So simply you can click here and you can also edit this zone. So this is very easy way to create shipping zone in Shopify.